What's up, guys? It's the weekend. We here.
What's up?
Say what's up. Say what's up. What's up, George? What's up? What's up?
Yet.
Got my nephew Shoney here. We going
love bugs.
We going hook Rico up. You know what? We always talking shit about his shit don't run. So he at work. We going dig his car out of the. What should we say? I don't want to insult him too much. It's his video. So yeah, we gonna push his RX7 out and try to get his motor in there. Weekend's in full effect. Y'all know we probably gonna hit the track. George is back, kinda. I don't think he's gonna ride his bike, but he's back a little bit.
Straight lines for me, baby.
Only straight. Yeah, so we gonna push it in, get it on the lift, pop his engine in for him, and hopefully it ain't misfiring, just to say I'm helping. So we ain't wasting no time. Joey over here doing stuff to his tranny.
Oh,
George acting like he working, but Shawnee's the one doing all the work.
Wait, oil pan.
We ain't high
We
enough?
ain't high enough.
I got you, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. Rico, this is all for you, bruh.
Jason Statham crank.
Just cause we tired of roasting you about your shit not running.
You really gotta be nice this whole video.
We're not being nice.
Oh, okay.
Being nice is not what we do.
Making sure, man. I ain't got nothing right now.
Hey, it's like almost running out because it needs more jackal. That's gotta be it.
Alright, trying to watch your foot. Just keep it steady, man.
They finna scratch his paint. I already know they finna scratch his paint.
Chill out, y'all.
Like that really matters.
It matters a little bit.
It's on the paint. You gotta come back. You gotta come back. Pull out. Pull out.
This is what happens when you put the wrong motor in the wrong car, you know?
Pull out.
RB20 life. I told him he should have put a KA in it, would have been great.
Alright. Over to the side.
Hey, for once I get to stand back and watch them work. Y'all see the difference now?
Alright.
If I was doing it, it would have been in there already.
Forward. Go slow.
It's a big old RB right there for this little FC.
How much this thing weigh? 1,300 pounds?
Yeah,
For a 13B?
yeah. Y'all see that beauty back there? She gonna be for sale soon, don't worry. I've been saucing it up. Don't mind the mix match paint, I'm working on that. But that's gonna be my saucy SR. I'll show y'all later in this video. Oh, oh. Okay, I should probably put the camera down to help them real quick. Alright, don't mind the ratchet wiring, we just trying to get it to work. It's all together. Joey's gonna start. You think you're gonna have all cylinders?
You know what? Maybe. Possibly.
You might have all cylinders. What you think, George? You gonna have all cylinders?
I'm turning the breaker
It's
on.
possible, you know.
Last time they was laughing at him because he had no cylinders. Well, he had like 4. He's trying to have 6 and no compression. So he got roasted last time. So hopefully this time around, I hope you did a good job on the head, Rico. We gotta rig up his fuel pump. Rig it up real quick. You hit the breaker, Joey?
Yeah, breaker's on. You got fuel.
Yeah, if I get this wire to stay in here. Alright, fuel pump on, jump box.
Oh, key.
Turn the key on that don't start it. Now we just power in the ECU. Now, sir, why this shit ain't like focusing right now? There we go.
Fire it up, man.
Come on, man.
The heat's on.
I gotta find the little wire. I don't know where he got this wire at, but it ain't that monster.
Put him as a booster.
Ready?
We don't boost.
Oh shit! Woo! That sound like 6 cylinders to me. Damn! I hear a vacuum leak though. Kill it, Joey. Damn. There you go. Now it's no car running Rico, no dry shaft having ass now. All right, we get some lunch. So yesterday we all had to leave and somebody didn't show up to see their own shit. So now the shithead's here.
Unappreciative.
I was at work, bitch.
Unappreciative. Make me come here on Mother's Day.
I
didn't make you do nothing. You was planning on coming here already.
Baby mom's probably mad and shit. Cause I'm here hanging out with this asshole. And this asshole. It's for him to see if...
See if it runs.
Here's misfires. Haunted by misfires. Camera shit's what's in there? Oh, there you go. It's focused.
I'm gonna bring that shit back to Walmart.
It ain't dead. Turn the damn brake on. I used my precious time yesterday and wired this piece of shit so it could freaking run. Who said the battery is dead? I said the battery is dead in that car. He's such an idiot, man. I don't appreciate it,
asshole.
That's why when it goes,
asshole,
we gonna know what's up.
That's it.
You hear that shit?
That shit's spitting fuel. Turn it off, nigga. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Yeah, I think he got a fuel leak.
Who got fuel problems now, ho?
At least it's coming from here, not the tank.
Ooh, I think that was towards you, Joey.
Is it that one then?
Yeah, it's the bottom one.
Let's do that.
You should probably tighten that up.
Smells like old ass gas.
No, it's actually brand new gas that I went and bought last time that you ain't even paid me for yet.
That's not a lie. We put gas in this.
And you got a bill, bitch.
You didn't put gas. I put gas in there.
When we have to put gas in this?
It never had gas.
Yes, it did.
It was empty.
No, it wasn't.
And you
Let me guess. And you put the fuel pump in too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Sad.
Mind you, ladies and gentlemen, you work on diesel buses.
Why you like talking shit, man?
He work on the Space Coast buses. So just know when the bus break down with y'all on it, it's him. We ain't give you a location. We just said you work on the Space Coast bus, bro. It's all good.
I ain't talking shit. My car ain't running right now.
What you said, Joey?
It runs. It just leaks gas.
Wait. What'd you say, Joey?
My car is a little... It's inoperative at the moment.
It's inoperative.
Y'all a trip. Hurry up and fix your gas leak so we can hear this horrible run. Look, he finna do his first start in his POS, finally. The internet can't talk shit no more because your shit about to run, hopefully. No coolant, turn it off before you blow it up. So what you gotta say to the people now?
No more videos like, your shit don't run, nigga.
Well, it runs now.
Very happy now.
Your shit don't drive.
Back to square one, motherfucker.
You're a hoe.
Alright, so you know my dog shit run. Of course, you know, we gotta just have a little party on the street. It ain't gonna be cars. Oh shit, there goes Frankie. Hey Frankie! Hey! Hey yo, Frankie! Frankie! Anyways, we had Frankie at the old shop. Frankie moved here with us, so we hanging out. Look at him. Oh, that's because he's not wheeling his bike. So, the only time Joey's good at wheeling is when it's not his bike. Okay, so that's not his bike, right? That's a cheat code bike we learn on. His bike's right here, but he can't wheelie his bike. My bike's right there. We got Fat Boy, he back in town. He finna try to sauce it on my bike real quick. It's knocking? You say my bar ain't, you stand on my bar and burned it?
I tried to.
Damn, bro, this is why you can't let fat people ride your shit, bro. Damn.
Shit ain't 300.
Oh, shit. He broke my shit, bro.
This is not 300.
You broke the welds and all, bro.
Nah, Joey did that shit. and
Joey,
he
you
gave
broke
it
my
to
shit,
me.
bro.
Then he gave it to me.
I did. I ain't break that.
So you was like, yo, you want to switch up? Oh, yeah, that is true. When you was wheeling it that one time.
Damn, bro, I can't even live around here, bro. These boys don't like to see me win, bro. Y'all don't like to see me win?
It always sound like
Hey,
that.
y'all know I'm still winning. Y'all see that over there, you know? I'm winning, you know what I'm saying? Let me hold on, let me zoom in on that.
What you zooming in on?
Yeah, we winning, though. We winning, man. You know what I'm saying? We winning. But y'all broke my bike, man. That's what I'm upset about.
What you got?
Let's see what you got, bro. I bet you I'm gonna kill it. Oh! Oh! Okay! Okay! Oh! Come on! Well, that's the end of this video, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one. My dog car finally run. We can't call him no run no more. What you got to say to the people, man, about your car running out?
Thank you to my fuckhead friends right here.
That's my ass, yo.
I guess we the fuckhead friends. We helped him out. We got his shit running.
What's up right here?
It still don't got no drive shaft, though.
Damn. It will this week. Oh, shit.
Oh, boy, did you almost just die? Are you okay?
Incoming.
Oh! That must be his bike. He treating it so bad.
You old niggas can't do this.
Oh, we old. He said we old. Oh, we got that bonus footage right now. Nigga shit. Oh shit, I shouldn't have said the N-word. Rico shit, run but don't drive. He watch.
Damn.
Oh shit. He watching that mug right now.
Hey, look at these 22.
Hey man, show what's up, man. And tell them, you know what I'm saying? Be like, bro, look at them things, man. Let them know what's up, man. Say you out here.
Hell yeah.
We out here, bro. What was those? What kind of 3-piece those is?
Well, they was 3-piece, but
They welded them together?
welded it
Oh, okay,
They made
okay.
it 1 piece.
They made it a 1-piece?
Yeah, but you know.
Damn, girl, what's up? You see this thing? Hey, he trying to be team. Look at that red.
I'm trying.
He trying.
I just want to know how you did this burnout.
What burnout?
Oh, my time. You see, I did do a burnout.
You did a burnout? And we didn't record it? Oh. Oh.
What happened was I had bought a fuse.
You sorry buying ass. You sorry are not good to drift.